Dogs were another matter. He didn't need instinct to tell him that. Dogs were not for him. Suddenly, the hounds had his scent, and Carlo had a problem. How to shake them. As it turned out, he managed that maneuver quite by accident. He cut his own trail made earlier. Soon, the hounds cut it too, except that with two fresh trails to follow, they were momentarily puzzled. Then, fortunately for all concerned, they chose to backtrack along the wrong trail, the one that would lead them eventually to where they should have been in the first place. The spot where Chuck Watson lay.